Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 5th February 2026, Nifty Index opened on a flattish note and spent most of the session trading within its first hour candle range. After the massive move in the previous session, momentum remained subdued, reflecting a phase of digestion. Despite a lack of follow-up through, declines were clearly bought into lower levels, underscoring the strength of the buyers. On the daily chart, Nifty formed a small-bodied bullish candle with wicks on either sides and continues to trade comfortably above its short-term moving averages, keeping the broader market trend constructive. India Wix was down by around 5% to 12.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.07. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,800 to 26,800 marks, while a major range could be in between 25,300 to 26,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 251 crores, while TIIs were buyers worth 6.5 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio increased to 18.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,550 for strength to rebuild towards 26,000 and 26,200, while supports have been shifting higher to 25,400 marks. Till the time Bank Nifty holds above 60,000, strength is likely to rebuild towards 60,750, while supports can be seen at 60,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Eternal, MCX, BSC, Vedanta, Titan, APL Apollo and Bandhan Bank, while some weakness could be seen in Coforge, HAL, BDL, KFintech and SBI Card. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.